Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by auditing where your location is currently shared and why. On your device, open Location and Share My Location and scan app permissions. You want a clear list. Once done, sign into your Apple ID or Google account on a browser to review trusted devices and active sharing sessions, because removing permission in one place may not propagate. Make sure you have your passcodes and two-factor access ready. This prevents lockout when you revoke access and helps you stay in control. Now you take action to stop active sharing across apps and accounts. On device, set location to while using or never per app and revoke background location where possible. Doing so reduces silent updates. Then open account dashboards, find My, Google Maps, Messenger, and terminate active shares and shared locations. Once done, sign out of any unfamiliar sessions, remove old trusted devices, and rotate account passwords so previous tokens stop working. These steps close the ordinary channels that broadcast your location. Finish by verifying your changes actually took effect. Restart the device and then check location and app permissions again. Sometimes apps cache settings until a reboot. Make a quick verification from a secondary account or ask a trusted friend to confirm they no longer see your location, because seeing is believing. If sharing persists, revoke app authorizations in account settings, uninstall and reinstall problematic apps, or reset network settings to clear cached services. If you run into issues, rotate passwords.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.